Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth keep disconnecting in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your iPhone. It can fix your minor glitches. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and now click on Bluetooth. And now click on info icon of your Bluetooth. And here you can forget this network and then forget this device and repair again your Bluetooth. After reconnect your Bluetooth, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.